Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 Radyo Bandera Olongapo City. Inakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Okay, Basta Radyo, ibandera mo. Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM, Olongapo City. Welcome back, people. All right. And a couple of invites for you. Right about now, we'd like to invite you guys muna to this upcoming comedy show dahil malapit na. It's gonna be this coming Friday na, no? Yung kaibigan natin from Zamba Mike, sila yung mga kasama rito, no? Ayan. Perfect Timing is coming to Harbor Point. Get ready for a night of non-stop laughs with Pooh, si Pooh, the comedian. And Comic 5-0 featuring Mac Navarez, Anthony Faber, Skin Portasio, and Trixie Corpez. Ayan. All happening at the Cinema 4 of Ayala Mall's Harbor Point this coming February 6. Doors open at 8 p.m. Okay, show starts at 9 p.m. Tickets are available. SVIP, Super VIP yata ibig sabihin yun, ano? 2,000 pesos. And VIP tickets 1,500. Platinum 1,000. Gold 1,200 yung platinum, I'm sorry. Okay? Gold is 1,000. Okay? For ticket inquiries, 0917-109-8469 and 0947-389-9456. Okay, so don't be late. This comedy night is perfectly timed out for you. Okay, so perfect timing. Pooh! As in perfect. At the Cinema 4 of Ayala Malls, Harbor Point, February 6. Ayan, yung mga kasama po natin sa Samba Mike, yung mga magpapatawa sa inyo. Mga opening act ni Pooh, the comedian. Magagaling to mga to sila. Actually, eto mga idol ko sa stand-up comedy. Parang mentor, I consider this guys my mentor eh. Sila Mac Navarez, si Kuya Skin Portasio, si Anthony Favors, tsaka si Kuya Trixie Corpez. Ayan, musical comedy ang forte naman ni Kuya Trixie. Yan, nood kayo. Promise, sasakit tiyan nyo sa kakatawa. Okay? Yan yung magandang uri ng pagsakit ng tiyan, yung sa kakatawa. Hindi yung dahil sa kung anong nakain mo, no? Na minsan hindi pa umaabot eh, no? Pabukas ka pa lang ng pinto ng ng CR, ayun na. Okay. And eto naman, invite din. Mas mauuna to, February 4 naman to. Ayan, gaganapin na po yung West Bahak-Bahak Day. Ayan, okay? In honor of former barangay captain Cap Noli. Tapos meron pang gaganapin na ribbon cutting ceremony, blessing and inauguration of NFC Boulevard. Yan. For those who don't know, yung NFC Boulevard, yan yung Napoleon F. Capistrano Boulevard. Si former, yung dati nating Cap Noli, as we call him, matagal na nanilbihan sa WBB yan, Barangay West Bahak-Bahak. Okay? Bata pa ako, na yan, Cap Noli na yan no? Ibinuhos yung kanyang panahon, yung kanyang husay, nag-effort para sa barangay ikabubuti ng West Bahak-Bahak. And this time we will honor him to be led by his apo. Ayan, yung kanyang successor, no? Yung kanyang butihing apo na kapitan natin ngayon sa barangay West Bahak-Bahak, si Cap Billy Joel Capistrano. Ayan, tropa natin na yung mga tropang pogi. Magkakasama kami niyan sa tropang pogi. Kasama si Kagawad Milbert Adlawan. Yan. Pero February 3 pa lang, Tuesday, tomorrow, meron ng simple celebration din, no? Starting up with the 7:30 a.m. flag raising ceremony at the WBB basketball court. Okay? May kasunod na pa breakfast. Wow. Okay. All right. Sabi dito, overflowing coffee. Ay, magkakape ako dyan, panigurado. Bago ako pumasok sa trabaho, makikikape muna ako. And sandwiches, coffee and sandwiches. And then meron gaganapin na one-day league volleyball at the covered court. One-day league lang to, ha? Yan, parang patibayan to. Winner take all, no? Okay? And then 1 p.m. merong palaro ng lahi, courtesy of Sangguniang Kabataan, at saka yung Color Fun Run. Yan. Okay? And then 8 p.m., Kalye Kasiyahan sa Davidson. As you guys all know, the Davidson Street kasi yan yung harap ng ano. Nasa street na yan yung ating WBB Barangay Hall and the covered court. Pero sa Kalye gaganapin yung kasiyahan, kaya nga Kalye Kasiyahan sa Davidson, no? February 3 pa lang yan. And then February 4, Wednesday, it will kick off with the 7:30 a.m. flower offering. Okay? Flower offering muna. Lahat kayo invited kung gusto niyo sumama dito, pwedeng-pwede. At the NFC Tomb Heritage Memorial Park, Barangay Santa Rita. Ayan, syempre kasama yung family members, the Barangay Council, Sangguniang Kabataan Council, and you guys can join. Everybody can join, okay? And then 8 a.m. magmo-motorcade from there papunta sa NFC Boulevard. Okay? Yung NFC Boulevard, yan po yung yung tulay na nagko-connect sa Davidson Street. Tapos ang other end niyan yung sa Mabayuan, no? Okay? I-inaugurate yan, tatawaging NFC Boulevard. Okay? Yung lugar na yan. And then 9 a.m. ribbon cutting, blessing, and inauguration of the NFC Boulevard. Yun na nga. Okay? With may kasama pang marching band, Virgen Milagrosa University Foundation Drum and Bugle from San Carlos, Pangasinan. Okay? At tambayan sa 23rd Bayan ng Superstars. Yun yung tatawagin yung lugar. Sarap tumambay dyan, ha? Okay. 9 a.m. yan. Okay? 9:45 a.m. walk from the NFC Boulevard papunta naman sa Barangay Covered Court. Okay? Barangay and SK officials, St. Joseph College Parade of Colors, mga kasama dyan, ano? BMUP band. Alright? And what's this? Angonos Higante. Ayan. Hindi ko mabasa. Okay. Late. But anyways, yeah, that's 9:45 a.m. Ano? 10 a.m. naman, celebration of the Holy Mass. Gaganapin sa Barangay Covered Court. O, yung mga gustong magmisa, ha? Okay? 10 a.m. 11 a.m. naman, blessing of the forward new dump truck and new ambulance na 11 a.m. gaganapin, no? Blessing of the new dump truck and ambulance ng Barangay West Bakbak. Okay? Ginagamit yan sa pagsiservisyo publiko sa ating mga kabarangay. Okay? And then, may mga intermission numbers na susunod. Okay? Folk dancers, folk dance by NEBES, Nelly E. Brown Elementary School pupils. And then 12 noon, lunch. Uy, makikilunch na naman ako. Yan, hanggang 1 yan, syempre. And then 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., medical mission. Yan, ang gaganapin. Okay, for the public, okay, at the covered court, care of the Medical Society. Olonga po Medical Society to, most probably, yeah. And then 5 to 7 p.m., 2 hours of Zumba for a cause. Ayan, so for a cause to. Ibig sabihin, siguro may registration and then may proceeds. Siyempre, yung proceeds mapupunta sa beneficiary. Kaya nga for a cause, di ba? Yan. I'm not quite sure kung may registration fee, may babayaran. Pero it's for a cause kasi, no? Yeah. Okay? Siyempre, kailangan makalikom ng pang for a cause. Alright? Yan yung 5 to 7 Zumba for a cause. And then, susunod yung 7 to 8 p.m. video presentation and book launching, comprehensive barangay profile of Barangay West Bakbak then and now. Nako, yan masarap panoorin yan, no? So I highly encourage yung mga kabataan, lalo na yung mga bata ngayon, para makita nyo kung ano yung history ng barangay natin, yung mga pinagdaanan, most probably masasama dyan, no? Yan, paano ang Barangay West Bakbak noon, makikita nyo. Okay? And then that's, again, that's 7 to 8 p.m. And then after that, susundan ng fireworks display. Alright? And then after the fireworks display, diretso na, tugtugan, rakrakan, may banda, mga pare ko eh. Okay? Live band music. Ayan, hanggang tuloy-tuloy na. Hanggang magkasawaan. Okay, so join us. Barangay West Bakbak. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exciting. WBB Day, February 4. Okay, pero February 3 pa lang, tomorrow, Tuesday, may mga paunang side events na, no? Okay? May free pa breakfast pa, no? O sabi ni Kagawad Milbert Adlawan, pa-announce din daw, bro. May palugaw sina Konsi Ying Anonat, Konsi Rodi Catologan, at saka si Konsi Noel Atienza. Ayan, February 4 sa NFC Boulevard ng 8 a.m. Ayan, okay. So, wow, salamat ha, Konsi Ying Anonat, Konsi Rodi Catologan, tsaka si Konsi Noel Atienza sa free palugaw. 8 a.m. pa lang may palugaw na, no? Ay, aagahan ko yung punta ron, no? Para makalugaw din. O, yayayain ko sana si Konsehal, Rodi Catologan, kasi may ibibriefing kaming students. Galing sila sa Binangonan. Sabi ko dun sa mga taga Binangonan, may konsehal kami na na opposite ng pangalan ng school nyo, ng lugar nyo, Binangonan. Siya, Catologan. Hindi, joke lang, Konsi. Ganyan ako, makulit ako sa mga sa mga pangapangalan, sa mga Binangonan, Kontrapelo, Catologan. Alright, but anyways, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Sama po kayo ha, sali po kayo. You're all invited. Siguro kahit tama ba, Kuya Milbert? Kahit hindi taga West Bakbak, pwedeng makiselebrate, no? Kung gusto nila makisaya, why not? Coconut, di ba? Pwede naman. Alright? Okay, so shout out din sa mga nasa nasa live stream sa page ng Olongapo City National High School Batch 1990. Alam nyo ba? Ang Olongapo City National High School Batch 1990. Hindi lang batch 1990 pala, I'm sorry. Ang buong OCNHS magse-celebrate ng 80th Alumni Homecoming. Ayan, February 27 to 28. Okay? Yung 27, alam mo na, may motorcade, may balik eskwela, may mga fun and activities for the whole family. Pagdating naman ng 28, yun yung gala night na gaganapin sa Travelers Hotel. Ayan, sali na po kayo ha. Tickets are available na. May ticket syempre kasi syempre may pagkain sa hotel gagalapin, may banda, may tutugtog. Kailangan ng pondo. Kailangan ng pambayad. Okay? So, you guys are all invited. May souvenirs pa yan, yung 2,000 na babayaran ninyo na ticket, no? Okay? So, it's gonna be on February 27 up to the 28th, 80th Grand Alumni Homecoming of Olongapo City National High School. Okay? You're all invited. And speaking of that, once again, shout out sa kasi nakashare tong live video natin sa Olongapo City National High School Batch 1990 official page. Hi you guys. Kamusta? Mamaya chichikin ko yung mga pangalan ninyo isa-isa. Kaya kailangan i-like nyo na. Kung hindi pa kayo nagla-like, naku, bahala kayo. Alright? And also, this piece of news from the SBMA Ecology Center. As you guys all know, last Friday, Monday ngayon ko palang mai-report, no? Last Friday, they had the Friday Cleanup Club. Actually, every last Friday of the month. Okay? It was hosted by the Business and Investment Group. January 30, 2026, yung last Friday. It was from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in celebration of the National Zero Waste Month. Ayan. Ito yung figures, statistics, no? Great job. Maganda yung figures A total of 256 volunteers joined in. And sacks that were filled with trash, 22 sacks. Okay? 82.95 kilograms of trash. Yung 48.3 kilograms doon, recyclables. Okay, pwedeng i-resiklo. Yung 34.65 kilograms residuals, talagang tatapon na. Yeah, okay? And then, 829.74 meters of cleanup site. Yung area na nilinis. Yan. Okay, this is our race to carbon neutrality. Okay, hashtag carbon neutral future. Hashtag Freeport Goals. Yan, dahil nga sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone ito, no? Siyempre naman. Okay, so salamat sa lahat ng Jumoy, na. Lahat ng marami, hindi ko na isa-isahin. Lahat ng departamento ng SBMA. Maraming salamat. Lahat ng departamento, lahat, as in lahat. Walang lusot. Sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. Tapos kasama pa yung non-SBMA department na Jumoy. Maraming salamat sa Philippine Statistics Authority, Department of Information and Communication Technology, DICT, National to, yung DICT na to. Buton Gas and Fuel Station Inc., Bomonite, SE Asia, SGS Philippines Inc., Suntech Pacific Logistics Corporation, Mansay Techno Philippines Corporation. Ayan. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa mga tumulong pa na hindi ko na mababanggit or hindi nasama dito sa listahan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo, no? Maraming salamat. Maraming thank you. In addition to that, during the 15th and 16th Recyclables Collection event ng SBMA Ecology Center, this is what I love about the SBMA Ecology Center talaga, yung mga ginagawa nilang ganito. Eto, pakinggan nyo. A total of 65,296 worth of cash and goods from the 15th and 16th Recyclables Collection event was turned over to Missionaries of Charity. Yun. Couple of days ago, nangyari to. Tinurn over na sa Missionaries of Charity. Kaya I keep announcing po yung mga Recyclables Collection event, yung mga pwede nyong salihan, kung saan pwede kayo mag-donate ng mga trash ninyo, di ba? Yung mga hindi na ginagamit sa bahay nyo, i-donate nyo na lang. Kasi ito yung kinatutunguhan, no? They convert it into cash or goods and then turn over sa Missionaries of Charity, no? Okay? And also, with the help then of the top donors such as HD Hyundai Heavy Industries Philippines Incorporated and Subic Bay International Terminal Corporation and Bikuni Terminals Mechatronics Philippines Corporation. Thank you. Salamat sa mga tumulong. Tsaka yung mga naki-recycle, syempre, yung mga naki-participate sa Recyclables Collection event. Maraming salamat po. Without your help, your participation, hindi magaganap yun, no? Okay? Hindi mangyayari yun. And also, we'd like to invite you, natikman ko lang kanina, no? Nalimutan ko yung pangalan ko, Ang sarap, Mylene's Crave More Bites Frozen and Daily Dish. Yan. Iba-iba po yung tinitinda rito, ha? Every day may iba't ibang available. Like, meron silang pork sisig, merong what's this? Meron ding embutido, yon. Tapos lumpiang Shanghai, either fried or orderin mo na ikaw na magpa-fried. Pork siomai na specially made. Tapos may mga desserts pa like chilled ubi delight, red berry and cream cheese, fruity graham delight, choco Oreo magic. Nyam, nyam, nyam. Ano nga ba pinag-uusapan natin? Nagpo-program pala ako. Hindi pagkain lang. Sunny mango delight, fruity graham delight. Yan, marami pa, okay? All you have to do is visit the official page, Mylene's Crave More Bites Frozen and Daily Dish. Yan, tignan nyo, ha? May official page ba siya? Hindi, wala yata, okay, eto na lang yung hahanapin nyo. Mylene Mirabueno Morales. Ayan. Buong pangalan talaga, Okay, so check it out. Try nyo po. I had a try kanina. It's super delicious. Okay? Malilimutan nyo rin yung pangalan nyo. Okay, you guys give it a try. Yung mga mahilig sa mga ganun, yung mga binanggit kong mga foods, Okay? At marami pang ma-order. I suggest you visit the Facebook page para makita nyo yung official menu. Alright.